Let's take a look at this 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass S Sport Coupe or two-door hardtop. Looking very much the same as it did back in 1972 when it rolled off the Oldsmobile dealer's showroom floor. Viking blue, number 26 paint coat on this one. Black vinyl interior, 940 would be the trim code. Also an A51 bucket seat car. And I'm assuming that's due to the fact this does have a numbers matching 4-speed manual transmission in it, as well as numbers matching 350 V8 underneath the hood. As you get a good look at the front grille, bumper, headlight surrounds. Take a look at all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll see the underside, engine bay, interior. Take a look underneath the hood, you're going to see that it also has power steering, power brakes. 507-386-1726, number to call. Rally style Oldsmobile wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Take a look down the passenger side here. There are a few spots, blemishes here or there. It's one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun, run through the gears, especially with that 4-speed in there. Local roll-ins, local cruise-ins. Go out and show it off a little bit. Black vinyl interior. Interior appears to be original as far as the vinyl and the seats. There's the bucket seats, center console, that 4-speed. Aftermarket gauge cluster and stereo. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. First, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust. Also get a good look at the chrome in the rear bumper. And again, paint does show its age in some spots. I notice up here in the roof too. I'll give you a look at that. And you'll be able to see this car from every angle. Underside, interior, trunk. uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're seeing this on YouTube, just click on the link down below in the description. It's going to take you right there. There's also a build sheet with this car. Be able to see that in the still pictures, as well as the stamping on the engine and the tranny with the VIN derivative. Be able to see that in the still pictures, so you can confirm, as we did, that it is numbers matching. Take a look down the driver's side here. You can see the paint has a decent shine to it over here. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels appear to be original also, and this is a Cutlass S. You'll be able to tell that by the style number on the data plate. Take a look at that. That'll be in the still pictures also. Here's the seats are free of rips, tears, holes. Of course, you'd have the lap belt and the shoulder belt in this model year. If you're wondering why there's two seat belts on that side on a bucket seat car. Tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up. This is a good sounding car. I know the wipers do work. The radio worked. Good sounding stereo. Down below, temp gauge. It was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. Amp meter and oil pressure. All looks good. Top of the dash looks good. Nice deep little rumble coming out of that V8 underneath the hood. Speaking of which, let's go check it out. I'm going to pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood open. So let me pause this a second. Be right back. We'll check out that engine bay. Get a look at the underside of the hood liner. Here it is, that 350 rocket. Numbers matching. Numbers matching 4-speed too. Power brakes, power steering. We do have a battery disconnect over here for when it's in storage, maybe between drives. Also take a look at how nice and clean and tidy this engine bay is. Really free of much corrosion. Looks good. Dressed up, a little chrome valve covers, an air cleaner cover with a Oldsmobile rocket insignia on there. And remember, it comes with a build sheet, 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass S Sport Coupe, 2-door hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Very nice blue on this car. We got black and wood grain on the interior. This car is a 4-speed on the floor, or on the center console, if you will. As soon as traffic figures out what it's doing, we'll see how the car does on the road. Really great exhaust sound from this car. Maybe I'll open the window and let you hear that in a little bit. You can hear it some, but not quite as good. Now the fuel gauge is working, showing a little over half. Speedometer working. Under the dash we have some gauges mounted for temperature. That's showing 190. Amps is right in the middle of the gauge. And wheel pressure is showing 50 pounds. So that looks good. We have a aftermarket radio in the dash that is working. Our windshield wipers also work. Not getting a blower motor. This car feels nice and smooth. Got a good road feel. Corners well. I did notice this car has a rear sway bar mounted. That'll help a little in the corners. I don't know if you can hear that exhaust. You know, the camera went down a little when I did that. That might be a first, but you got to be here for it. Very nice 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Check out all the pictures and details of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.